Good morning students. In this lecture 25th, we will discuss the next advantage of using negative feedback in case of amplifiers, and that is the modification in case of input impedance. So we can modify the input impedance in case of any transistor amplifier by using two different connections. One is voltage series feedback amplifier, and second method to modify the input impedance is current shunt feedback amplifier. And now we will see that in both of these feedback amplifiers, what is the effect of negative feedback on the input impedance. Will this negative feedback, it will increase the input impedance or it will decrease the input impedance in both of these cases. So first we will discuss voltage series feedback amplifier. So here I have drawn the voltage series feedback amplifiers block diagram. Series parallel feedback amplifier, where the input connections of amplifier and the feedback network, they are in series, and the output connections of the amplifier and the feedback network, they are in parallel. So here you can see the one end of the amplifier on the input side, it is connected to one end of the feedback network, and the other end of the amplifier, it is connected to input signal voltage, and the other end of the feedback network, it is also connected to the input signal voltage. And here you can see both the ends of the amplifier, they are connected to, both the ends of the output of the amplifier, they are connected to feedback network. So output connections are in parallel, input connections are in series. So here Vs is the input signal voltage without feedback, Vi is the input signal voltage with feedback, A is the gain of the amplifier without feedback, II is the input current, IO is the output current, Vf is the feedback voltage, and we know that feedback voltage, it is equal to beta V0, where beta is the fraction of the output voltage that is being fed to the input of the amplifier. Zi is the input impedance without feedback. So what is Zi? Zi is the input impedance without feedback. Zo is the output impedance without feedback. And Zif is the input impedance with feedback. So this is the input impedance with feedback, and Zof is the output impedance with feedback. Now if II is the input current and Vi is the input voltage, input signal voltage with feedback, then what will be Zi? Zi is the input impedance without feedback, and in case of without feedback, this Vi, it will be equal to Vs, or Vs, it will be equal to Vi. So here Zi, it will be equal to Vi upon Ii. And suppose this is our equation number 1. And what will be the value of Zif? Input impedance with feedback. With feedback, Vs and Vi both are different. So input signal voltage at that time will be Vs divided by input current is Ii. And suppose this is our equation number 2. Now we know that what is the relation between Vi and Vs during feedback. During negative feedback, we know that this Vi, it is equal to Vs minus Vf because of negative feedback. So what will be the value of Vs? Vs will be Vi plus Vf. And what is Vf? It is beta V naught, where beta is the feedback fraction. And what is the gain of the amplifier without feedback? It is A. And it will be equal to Vo by Vi, because at that time Vs is equal to Vi in case of without feedback. So find the value of V naught from this equation. It will be AVI. Put this value of V naught in this equation. So we will have Vs is equal to, so we have Vs is equal to Vi plus beta. V naught is AVI. So take Vi common and we have 1 plus A beta. So this is the value of Vs. Now put this value of Vs in equation 2. Put this value of Vs in equation 2, and equation 2 was input impedance with feedback. It is equal to Vs upon Ii, and the value of Vs is Vi into 1 plus A beta divided by Ii. Now using equation 1, this Vi by Ii is Zi. That is the input impedance without feedback. So we have input impedance with feedback. It is equal to 1 plus A beta times the input impedance without feedback. So in case of voltage series feedback amplifier, input impedance increases by a factor of 1 plus A beta on applying negative feedback. So in case of voltage series feedback amplifier, on applying negative feedback, the input impedance increases by a factor of 1 plus